Hi folks, I wanted to make a quick little video to highlight my latest clock find. I got this about 2 weeks ago at a local thrift shop, and it is what I believe to be a 1930s, possibly 1940s, but I'm leaning more toward 1930s. Striking mantel clock by the Friedrich Mauthe and Sons, F.M.S, clock company out of Germany. And I'm starting to discover that here in Canada, Mauthe must have done great business, because there are so many clocks by Mauthe just scattered all over the provinces, it seems. But anyways, I got this one in a state of advanced delubrication. It was making some really scary grinding noises, but a quick oiling and cleaning, and it's been running quite nicely, keeping great time. The strike is nice and quiet. And this one strikes on the half hour and the number of hours on a 3-rod Bim-Bam sequence. It's a really lovely, gentle, warm sound, and I hope you enjoy it.